In this video we introduce an interactive table that supports the creation of mood boards by providing flexible and intuitive interaction in the context of the design studio. In our studies aimed at understanding design practice, we have identified the creation of mood boards as a relevant task for designers. The process of making mood boards can be divided into these 5 stages: image collecting, image browsing, image piling, building mood boards, and expanding mood boards. In this video we focus our work on the second stage, image browsing. We introduce an image browser that tries to address 3 main issues. First, it merges with the real context, allowing designers to work in the comfort of their existing design studio environment. The interaction is set around a coffee table, allowing them to sit back comfortably on a couch. Second, it captures the current flexibility of interaction with physical images by allowing them to work using hand movements, where both hands work collaboratively towards achieving a goal. Finally, it provides an alternative solution to a cluttered desk and messy design studio, which results from creating ad hoc piles of magazines and pictures. Using the space above the table to interact creates extra layers of space to store images above the table. We propose 2 ways to browse images: flipping and flicking. By mimicking a flipping page movement anywhere above or around the table with their dominant hand, users can browse to the next or previous 3 images, depending on the direction of the movement. As an alternative, designers can browse by doing a flicking movement on the table. The speed of the movement determines the speed of browsing. Users can stop at a given image by tapping on the table. Piles are created by placing the dominant hand above an image and raising it orthogonally with respect to the horizontal table surface. The images are placed in a given layer depending on the highest point reached by the hand movement. By changing height with the non-dominant hand above the table surface, users can navigate within layers of piles. And then piles can be rearranged by moving an image to a different layer using the dominant hand.